Hi, welcome to Demo Garage. I'm Steven, and in today's episode, this is going to be a nice quick one. I'm going to be replacing this choke cable knob. A lot of you with Triumphs or TVRs probably already know how to do this, but in case you don't, it's very simple, and let me demonstrate. This is going to be a short video. Okay, so here's my current choke knob, and this thing is perfectly functional. It just doesn't look as pretty as the new one because the indication has worn away. To change this out, I haven't done it myself yet, but just need a tool like this. You can see there's a little hole here. I've already taken a quick look at mine. When I pull it out, I've determined that the hole, which is probably supposed to be on the bottom, might be on the bottom. Yours is on the top on mine. So let me go ahead and kind of depress this down and I'll show you. Let's see. Okay, that's not too tough. Okay, so we've got, it's a hexagonal shaft. The new one's got a hexagonal shaft opening as well. And you can see, here we go, the little detent on the shaft. So this is what it gets pushed down with the pick. So now it's just a matter of getting the new one lined up with the hole in the correct orientation. I did grab myself a little pair of vice grips to help. Obviously, it's possible to damage something, so be careful. Line up the hole, get this thing pushed on. Don't think it's quite seated yet. Just a little bit of more force on this guy. Okay, let's see if I can get it snapped in. There, oh, I just heard it. Okay. I don't know if you could hear that on camera, but I heard the little pin snap into shape. So there we go. That completes this simple task. So that's the end of this episode. I hope you learned something. I know I did. I haven't done that before. Maybe you already knew how to do that, but in case you didn't, there you go, and you can change yours. This was a fairly inexpensive part I got from Moss Motors. And until the next video, bye.